Hi, Javon Polgar here, your listing professional with the Polgar Group of Go-To Realty Pros, presenting to you another amazing listing we have in Livermore. This one is located in the newer luxury development of the Montage Arborelle community. It is located with beautiful scenic views right against the vineyards. This home features large plank, luxury hand-scraped hardwood floors throughout. Also features granite counters, full backsplash stainless steel appliances, and the amazing cathedral ceilings offer an abundance of natural light. You're gonna love this home when you see it. We will be open this weekend from 1 to 4 p.m., Saturday and Sunday. Once again, 1 to 4 p.m. We hope to see you there. Come tour this beautiful home.